Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows BCD boot errors in EFI system. Boot with Windows bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type Diskpart. Type list disk. Start indicates my system is GPT or EFI partition. Type list volume. FAT32 is system volume. Windows installation drive is C drive. Type select space, volume space, 2. Type assign space, letter equal to Z. Type exit. Type BCD boot space, Windows installation drive colon / Windows space, /s space Z colon space, /f space, all. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.